In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Philips subwoofer with your Philips soundbar so they work together. So let's get started right away. Step number one is to disconnect both from the wall outlet, from the power source. So I will go over here and simply unplug them. Leave them for 10 seconds this way. And then we're going to start fresh by plugging both of them back. Next step is to go on the Philips soundbar where the buttons are located, and you're going to turn it on by pressing once quickly on the power button. The light over here should be green or another color. What it's important at this point is to put your soundbar in auxiliary mode. To do this, there's two ways. If you want to do it using the remote control, you simply have to press the AUX button while pointing to the soundbar. If you do not have a remote, you can do the same thing by pressing this button over here, the one with an arrow. So you're going to press on this button and look at the light on the soundbar until it's a green light. Once you see a green light, stop pressing that button. You are in auxiliary mode. Next, we're going to find the power button of the soundbar and we're going to keep it pressed during 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the light will flash red. Then you can release your finger from the button. Alright, now the soundbar is in standby mode. This is why the color red is showing here. Now what we need to do is to go on the back of the subwoofer and we're going to find the pair button. You need to press it once. The light over here should start blinking red. That's great. Now it's time to power on the soundbar, so simply press once on the power button and it will turn on. Give it at least 1 minute so they connect together. Simply by looking on the back of the subwoofer, the light over here should go from blinking red to blue. Blue means that the subwoofer is connected. If nothing is happening for more than 1 minute, what you need to do is to go on the soundbar itself and you're going to keep press for 5 seconds the plus button and the button with an arrow. So keep both of these press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release. And let's take a look. The subwoofer should connect to the soundbar in the next 15 to 30 seconds after you press both of those buttons for 5 seconds. You may not have to do it, but in case they're not connecting together, go ahead and do this simple trick. Once you see the color blue, you're done, nothing else to do. You're good to go and connect your devices and start listening. Please leave a like if my video was helpful. And write a comment as well. Even if you disliked my video, I want to know why, so just leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.